We are really pleased to announce the evolution of our I4H Zoho social housing CRM to the Omnia platform. Now, Omnia means everything in Latin, which is exactly what this platform represents. After a very productive summer of consulting with social housing tenants, social housing providers, and a research project with one of the top universities in London, we received some invaluable feedback that this is a lot more than a CRM, which has helped us refine our product. The Omnia platform provides integrated CRM, housing management, repairs, compliance, which will mean no more fragmented systems, poor APIs and lack of integration, but above all, a better tenant experience. We have added cutting-edge technology to this platform. This includes different software libraries. So for example, you are now accurately able to upload documents, key compliance documents in particular. There will be bespoke contractor portals. We've added video calling technology to enable better communication with tenants, and also to enable quicker inspections of repairs. And something that we're really proud of is our agentic model that will start diagnosing repairs for you. We are confident that our platform will redefine what social housing systems should really do. If you're interested in coming on this journey with us, please do get in contact for a demo and one of our team will contact you.